When talking about the human value, the first thing that reads in my mind is humanity. Humans and people play the most important role in the nation's development. People are the greatest resource that make greatest contribution to the wealth and security of the country. For these reasons, healthy, educated, and skillful people are definitely what every country needs. However, these characteristics may not be enough. Human values are also another point that should be considered. They are no less valid since the past until today and quite abstract ideal. They play a significant role in society as they are relevant to everything in human life. The integrated cultural difference from different societies and leads to desirable behavior patterns and manage human relations, and they can even be keys to the solution of global problems. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last decades, science and technology have abruptly changed the nation's habit, norm, value, and social relations. Thailand reformulated a 20 years National Strategy Plan 2018 to 2037 as the first ever long-term comprehensive strategic plan with a vision of achieving security, prosperity, and sustainability to deal with the change and uncertainty. These national strategies also run in line with global vision that use the Sustainable Development Goals as a common framework for building a better city for its people and their environment. When looking in detail to achieve this shared common goal, one of primary emphasis factors is the development of technology and innovation parallel to human capital. In Thailand, we have set Thailand 4.0 economic model. This model focuses on four major objectives: economics, prosperity, social well-being, environmental protection, and the last one, raising human value. This objective is to transform Thai people into competent human beings in the 21st century and Thai is 4.0 in the first world. Visual under the Thailand 4.0 will raise Thailand HDI from 0.722 to 0.8, or the top 50 countries within 10 years. Ensure that at least 5 Thai universities and ranked among the world top 100 higher education institutions within 20 years. These definitions do not mean only Thai people with high level of expertise, talent, and ability, but also the Thai people with public consciousness and social responsibility. To support the country's goal, at the National Funding Agency for Research and Innovation, we, NRCT, attach great importance to shaping the future of Thailand through research and innovation in various areas. We realize that the basically most important element in country development is the people. Therefore, our final result is to promote well-being, strengthen potential, and transform value for all members in society at the stage of life. In the field of social science, particularly, we have run research funding framework which emphasize the subjective sense of connection to individual culture and personal motives with social and environmental norms. We believe that the shared human values will increase well-being of people. For instance, the program for aging people preparation for aging society, and another program is solving challenging issues and enhancing sustainable development of society and stability in all dimensions. The expected outcome of these two programs are policies or guidelines for solving problems and also knowledge, technology, and social innovations for improving people's lives. Furthermore, we have also launched the Integrated Strategic Research Program on Social Science called คนไทย 4.0. In this program, we define คนไทย 4.0 or Thai 4.0 as Thai people view morality, public consciousness, and ability to understand and be flexible enough to respond positively to the future socio-economic uncertainty. The expected outcome of this program are to achieve behavioral change in society, social trends that support public mind, transparency, and good governance, and research finding that the government sector can use the Prepare Thailand 4.0. Ladies and gentlemen, before ending at this conference, team also puts a special emphasis on democracy value. In my point of view, democracy is not just a political system, but it's also a comprehensive legal framework that is compliant with the international standard, protecting public freedom, human rights, as well as a tool to maintain social equality. It creates a society where every member, especially vulnerable people, has adequate multi-dimensional development, sustainable welfare as all stages of life, public mind, social co-responsibility, and be ethical. Lastly, I would like to conclude that the potential and quality of people across all age groups are the key challenges to national development, as well as global development and sustainability. Since every person has unique characteristics, talents, skills, and ability, it's our duty to enhance and bring out their potential. Research and innovation, especially the integration of knowledge on science and technology with social science and humanities, will be one of the crucial tools to achieve this goal. Moreover, research in social science is also a tool for shaping desirable human values for desirable civilization. Therefore, social researchers will be and always be at the forefront of these efforts. From understanding people's thoughts and actions to coping with the sudden and dramatic change in society, and to providing the new form of civilization to this world, social science have been its every step. Today, the conference on democracy share human value is very timely. I very much appreciate to China leadership for convening this important event for the good benefit of our political civilizations in Asia and those of the entire world. I'm so glad to share my experience from Thailand and look forward to hearing ideas and thoughts from all of you. Thank you.